If you're looking for a reliable and professional home inspection service, well, you've come to the right place.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is David with Selman Home Inspections. We get a lot of questions. People call us and say we want just a WDI or we want just the pool inspected. The reason they run into this is they find an inspector and they choose them to do the home inspection, but that home inspector is not qualified to inspect all the components in that home. So we'd recommend getting a home inspector like Selman Home Inspections, where your home inspectors are qualified to perform a wood-destroying insect inspection. We're qualified to inspect the pools. We're qualified to inspect septic systems. And we're also qualified to do thermal imaging along with our 5-star home inspections. So you want someone who is a one-stop shop and can perform all those services for you. Otherwise, you're going to be calling different inspectors and scheduling different appointments to get all of those things done. Another thing to point out is check out the home inspectors or the home inspection company's customer reviews and their agent reviews. What do clients and agents that have worked with them have to say about their service? I also recommend checking with TREC, the Texas Real Estate Commission, and using that inspector's license number to see what kind of complaints, if any, there have been on that inspector to help you make the choice. Finally, I'd like to mention that we really believe home inspections should not be based on price. We get calls every day for people shopping, trying to find the lowest price on a home inspector. You may find a cheap home inspection, but that inspection may cost you more in repairs because of the items those inspectors miss. They're cheap for a reason. They either don't have the skills, the qualifications, or the experience to charge more for their service. So most home inspections range between $325 and $800. That's on the high side, but it depends on the size and the age of the home. It's much more important to choose your home inspector based on their training, their qualifications, their experience, and the trust they develop with you. Not all home inspections are created the same. I'm David with Selman Home Inspections, and I look forward to working with you. Have a great day.
No matter what type of home inspection you need done, you can count on us. Call or email one of our friendly staff now to schedule your home inspection.